Morning, Jerome. Morning, poor guy. Morning, Miss K. What's prala pralad? That's what I'm gonna call you. It's gonna be a great day. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's get it. Why is my thing messed up? Good morning, Kevin. What, Dennis? Let's have a good Friday here. Uh, 400-ish. All right. What's up, Scott? Morning, Raf. Good morning, Anthony. Call me crazy. Got 2 lucid flex this morning to try and add more funded accounts with code RDT. Full ported them and got the daily limit to pass in 2 days pre-market. That is crazy. So you made 1,500. You're a big baller, man. Good morning, Tris. That's crazy. I will call you crazy, man, because that is crazy. But I guess crazy in a good way because it worked out. What's up? Good morning. You call me GG. All right, I'll call you GG. What, kitty? Crazy for sure. I said TGIF and YOLO. I will not complain since you used the code RDT. I'll be like, you know what? You do you, man. I'm here to support you. I'm here to support your YOLO habit. Good morning, Daryl. All right, the market's open. The market is still bearish. Hey, Smooth. Um, I mean, right after NFP, I'm not surprised at this price action. We keep dipping. If you look at the weekly candle on ES, today's the first red candle since like March 23rd. First red weekly candle in 3 months, 2.5 months. So that's something. I read that this has been the longest streak of green weeks since 1985. Really? Yikes, that's scary. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Hey, what's up, Dylan? You're going through some stuff. Are you good? You good? Not a burden for you to have to carry, but appreciate you asking. Well, just checking in, man. As long as you're good, just hang in there. I don't know the severity of your situation, but I equate it to trading. Just survive and just wait until it passes, because it'll eventually pass, whatever it is. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Yeah, we're like mega bearish now. You took a W yesterday. That's nice. I wasn't on stream yesterday. Yeah, yesterday stream was really, it was like the perfect balance of winning, but then also giving you that drama. So out for entertainment points, I would give it 10 out of 10. I can see the light, just haven't made my way there yet. I really appreciate your words though, man. Yeah. Just hang in there, man. You'll get there. What the hell is this movement? I think either the bubble is popping or this is just part of the normal corrections. I'm assuming. I can't go more than daily chart, I guess. We have a gap right here. We could react here, or we could retrace deeper. I mean, look at this crazy bull run, right? Like, we need some correction. We could come all the way up to down here and still be bullish long term. Going down to NWOG. You caught a short up on my funded Apex account. Do you think we'll see a reverse long again? Maybe later in the afternoon. But we're definitely bearish. Today could be a good 10 a.m. Actually, maybe a 10 a.m. reversal long could play out today. Who knows? Interested in taking a long at the May 28th Globex low. Mobile control. Oh, never trade on mobile, my guy. I would never trust it. Unless you're using Robinhood. You didn't mean to hit the trade button to open the chart and it plays for some stupid reason. I mean, I look at the charts on my phone, but I can never trade with it. I just use TradingView, but you gotta make that possibility a 0% possibility. You needed to move back bearish enough for me to break even. I think we'll go back down. Actually, I don't know because we're approaching 10 a.m. So I can't promise anything. I could reverse it, but it seems risky. Yeah, I don't know, man. If I made a mistake like that, I would just eat the loss. It is what it is. There you go. There's the dip that you were waiting for. Close at +5. Nice. Good morning, Mehdi. Alright, about to hit 10 a.m. here. Ba, 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 ba. Wow, look at that candle. That is ugly. Wow, even made a even lower level. How low can we go? Wow. Alright, finally. Lesson learned, don't sign into TradeAvid on mobile. I had logged into log trades at work, but never again. Yeah. Don't mess with that. Oh. Yeah, I mean, you made money from it, so it was a lesson learned, but you got paid for it. Whoa. Hello? 10 a.m. reversal much? Wait, why is my... Oh, I'm on NQ. I was looking at NQ on my trading view. Nice, good job, man. Oh, man, I'm tired. Have I taken any trades yet? No. You can see right there if I've taken a trade. See where it says Friday? If it's question mark, then I haven't taken a trade. All right, if we fall back down, I'm gonna get something. Long or short? I don't know yet. I'm gonna look for the direction afterwards. Man, that hit like right on that line, huh? Yeah, that was a clean setup. Man, it's so like the range is so big today. I'm gonna head out. Targets hit on evals from Asia. Okay, sounds good, Anthony. I'll see you next Monday. Have a great weekend. I was also confident about it because level aligned with second SD band. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, I'll see you, Anthony. Um, so I today is one of those days when my 20 tick stop loss is gonna possibly get hit because like things are so rippy today. So scary. I'm gonna go long here. My entry is gonna be 75.12 and 50 cents. All right, going long. Wow, look at that 10 AM reversal really playing out today. We are getting a dip here. So I'm looking for 5 points off of my entry. So that's going to be like right here. Let's see if it comes down. Oh yeah, it's coming down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah then. Man, why is it not coming down? You went short? Very nice. All right, I guess not. I guess we're not coming down. We bounced off of it right here. Don't FOMO, chill. Yeah, I'm chilling. I mean, it doesn't look like it's gonna come down now, but if it goes any higher, then I'm gonna cancel it and look for the next one. It is falling back down. So that's interesting. I think there's a good chance that we might come down lower here. You're done for today? Yeah. I mean, if you had all those wins, like don't push your luck, right? Seems like a decent way to end the week. Yeah, just chill. Here I go. I feel like this is gonna fall. All right, here it comes. Kind of a crazy dump right here. All right, I could get tagged here. Yikes. Why are we stalling right over my entry? One tick away. Oh my god, I missed it by a tick. Oh my god. I just hit TP right there. Wait a minute. Wait, is this right? Okay. That sucks. Man, I missed a generation move right there. Is it better to trade micros or minis? It depends what your risk appetite is. I prefer minis. It depends what your risk appetite is and what your trading style is. Because if you trade with micros, you can scale in and out. Not so much if you trade minis, unless you trade big size. Man, did I really miss that trade by a tick? That's amazing. Oh my god. We're up almost 12 points from my entry now. No, 16 points. That's alright, you know. We'll look for the next one. Nice trade. I didn't get in this trade. I missed it by a tick. Let's zoom in. I can't even zoom in how small it is. No, I went long, Eric. I went long order right here and I missed it by that. Yeah, edged. Edged is correct. I'll probably cancel this. Soon. Curious to see what it does here at this reversal zone. I think we're gonna go higher at this point. At least get this high. Man, if it comes down again and making me get in on the second time, then that's gonna be wild. What's up, Red Robin from California? Okay, we're dropping hard again. Crazy. We may shift back into bearish movement too. Overnight and this morning have been very, very bearish. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't pretend to know what the market is going to do. I just react. Maybe that's my issue. I try to predict. I mean, we have to make the prediction at some point, but it's the granularity of the prediction that you're trying to make. Like I only make predictions when I'm like about to take the trade, right? I don't really look at macro stuff. Like here, when we got the setup, I predicted that we would go higher, and that's why I went long here. So, I'm basing off of that. But I don't like the fact that we're coming back down. Uh, why are we falling down again? This is some wild stuff right here. All right, well, I'm here to catch it again. Round 2. What's my risk? 20 ticks. 5 points. My stop loss is like right. Is it this wick? No, it's a little bit lower than this wick. So my risk is here. My target's up here. But if I don't get the bounce, I'm gonna bail. But I just can't believe we're coming down again. That's similar to how I set mine up. So my stop loss is more to give the trade breathing room in case it wants to wick down and go back up. But if I'm in the heat for more than like 2 minutes, I just exit the trade. I don't wait for it to hit my stop loss. Unless like it hits it right away. In which case, like days like today, it could happen. Yeah, it might be coming down. How does what happens in pre-market influence what you do that day? It really doesn't. Doesn't really influence my trading. This price action is crazy. Yeah, I think it wants to come down lower. Or not. All right, all got edged again. Not really, but still. I'll keep this order alive for another 15 minutes and then I'm gonna cancel it. What? Could we see another dip? Like, this is some crazy price action. How long have you been day trading? Close to 3 years. Have you taken any payouts from firms this year? No. 0 payouts. Morning space. I have about 10 minutes left on this order. I have tilt yesterday and I lost all my profit from week. Sorry, man. How did you know that was the code? Do I do it full time? I guess so, yeah. I mean, I'm here until the market closes, but I have main income. I have my main job, but it's remote, so I get to do it at home. That's why I can trade full time. What do I do? Graphic design. That's dope. I mean, it's a dying industry, so this is me pivoting. AI, yeah. It's not good enough yet, but I think it'll get good enough. It'll get good enough that just, mom and pop shops, they're just going to use AI. They don't need the 6-figure logos or whatever. Sorry, I had to manage a trade and then journaling. What did I miss? You missed this. You missed this right here. I missed the trade by a tick. I put in the order like here after this candle, I think. And then we went all the way up here, came all the way down, missed the trade, and all the way went back up and then came back down, and then it never came down. Now it's going away again. And I'm about to cancel the trade. I took the 7, 5, 10, 50 cents right after 10 a.m. What is that? Oh, yeah? Did you do the 10 a.m. reversal? Okay, I don't know why we're falling down again. This is what I'm talking about. Just back and forth, back and forth. I guess that's not surprising since it's 10 a.m., but yep, 10 a.m. reversal. Nice. You're welcome, man. I have like legit 5 minutes left for this order, and now it's gonna tag me in maybe. I want shorts, but we swept so much of high time frame liquidity. I mean, like, we're falling down. Okay, what the hell? I was about to cancel this. Now it's coming down again. I have 3 minutes left. If we start stalling right here or bounce, then yeah. For sure not happening. Man, it's doing it again. Wild. I think I'm getting out at the right time because look at all these lows that's going to be tagged. All right, this is the last candle. If it doesn't fill me in with this candle, I'm done. What? It's gonna fill me in at the very last candle with like literal 10 seconds to go. What? One tick away. I'm
Order
in.
filled.
What the heck? I'm in, guys. With like 2 seconds to go. And now we're not gonna bounce. It's my life. I mean, this is cool. But it's gonna sell off though. Yikes. That's bad. Yeah, terrible candle. Yeah, we're coming down lower. Actually, what? No, it's selling off again. Dang it. It gave me hope. Yeah, it looks pretty bearish. What is happening? Selling off again. Man. Really not giving me what I want. Making 3 equal lows. That's just great. That's just crazy. Like, why are we going up? Is it gonna sell off again? Yeah, it sold off again. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm cooked, guys. I just can't believe this price action. Like, what is this? Selling off again. Okay. What? That works. Okay, now it sells off again. What? Oh my god. Can you guys believe this price action? I'm really confused. All right, here it comes. I think I'm cooked. Yeah, I'll probably close it right here if we keep going down. I just can't believe this. Oh my god. All right, closing it.
Order filled.
Oh, man. Really messed me up there. At least it hit my entry level there. Yeah, good thing I got out. Man. I've never seen this before. Three equal ticks like that, and then it almost hit my TP there. Yeah. What if my intention was that I lost on purpose so I don't have to give away an account? See? Think about it. Was that a break-even trade? It could have been. So it looks like this wick was 16 ticks. And my plan was I was gonna go break even at 17. So, it's whatever. I only lost, how many ticks is that? It's not that much. I don't know why it's not showing for me. Okay, here we go. So I lost 2 points. So 8 ticks. Right? Yeah. Not bad, not bad. I think once you got that sweep from the new high candle, that was your signal to find an exit. Yeah. Yeah, this was my exit signal for sure. But the way it was kind of being weird, I thought I would, eke out 4 more ticks. But that was me being stupid, for sure. But again, I lost on purpose. So I don't have to give out anything. But that was definitely a weird trade because I missed the trade by a tick right here. And then the very last candle that I was going to give myself to, cancel the trade after, and it tagged me in and it did all this. And then I lost. Yeah. Good times, good times. And I guess we hit 11 a long time ago. Okay, so 10 o'clock, and then I lost 8 ticks. Back to the negatives for my XFA. I think your new strategy of cutting losing trades is a good change. Yeah, I like it so far because I've had rarely I've had a case where I exit the trade and it works out anyway. Well, I guess yesterday kind of worked out, but I think I like only looking for clean setups or clean price action, and the price doing funny stuff like this is yeah, that's a first for me. How much did I lose? 400? 419. The price action was screaming this isn't a good trade. I think I was just waiting for that, funny stuff, like getting lucky and somehow getting away with it. Yeah, I mean, there's no way we're going to make these equal lows and go higher, right? So I knew this wasn't looking good, but I was kind of banking on this of a move to kind of tag me out. Give me a win, get lucky. Cuz that would have been funny as hell. But I stayed in for the stream. I don't know. But I'm still going to die on the hill that I followed my plan, because my plan was to go break even at 17 ticks, and that was 16 ticks. Sometimes that'll work. Sometimes that's going to make you lose, like today. Yeah, I would have stop loss for sure if I didn't get out. Ending the day with this very small green day. That's a win for me on a Friday. Scaled down to just 3 contracts, half size. Also created a stricter set of rules for myself. Cool. Oh, Kevin, can you remind me if you were able to redeem the Apex code for a no activation fee eval? Because I'm pretty sure they're changing that on me. Yes, I was. It gave me that option to choose either one. Okay, well, guess what? They're no longer allowing it. I swear. Okay, so someone said the code doesn't work anymore for that. So I'm like, okay, let me reach out to my rep, and he's like, "What are you talking about? It's been always for standard stuff only." I'm like, no, you told me before that this would work on no activation fee ones too. And I have people that have used it. But I guess they changed it quietly. Why are they changing it? Because they're probably losing out on too much money. Because like if you allow standard ones to be free, they can at least make the money back on the activation fee, right? Holy crap. Holy volatility still. So if you're able to redeem it for the no activation fee ones, then you're one of the lucky ones. Because it ain't happening anymore. That's why I hate Apex. Yeah. That was not cool. I mean, okay, it's okay for them to go back on it. It's okay for them to change that. But at least let people know. Don't just quietly change it. Or at least say like, oh, it was a mistake for us to let people redeem it for that. But I got people gaslighting me, be like, oh, it was never that. I thought it was funny that it even gave me the option. Who wouldn't automatically choose no activation? Who wouldn't automatically choose no activation fee? Yeah. They love forcing intraday drawdown down our throat. I mean, that's why it's cheaper. But, you know, even though 99% of people hate intraday, I think, you know, if you're a scalper, you can make it work. If you only go for $100 to $200 per trade, that intraday whatever watermark, it's not gonna really make it or break your trade. Don't say after winning you're gonna do Apex giveaway. I mean, you know, I still gotta get rid of them, and some people would be interested in it. So it's still okay if you I'm trying to think. I think getting the free standard one is still better than buying a no activation fee one, because you don't even know if you're gonna pass if you buy the no activation fee eval. So you're putting down $109 right away. But if you win the giveaway and get the free one and you happen to pass that, then you pay the activation fee and you get funded right away, guaranteed. So think it's still a good giveaway because it's basically like getting a discount instead of a free account. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I thought it was a big deal that it's a true free account like Lucid is, but hey, their firm, their rules. If anything, if you win one of them, you can use the account to practice a new strategy for free. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's still value. But it's not as good as Lucid. It was going to be. But if you do win, I would still try to redeem it for the no activation fee just in case. Just in case it works. But if it doesn't, then yeah, they permanently close it. Lucid is still the best company. Either they're making no money. I don't understand why no one else is doing what Lucid is doing. Either their operating expense is super low so they can do this, or they have the volume now and they can make it work. But if every other firm is gonna go bankrupt if they get rid of the monthly fee or get rid of the no activation fee, like why isn't they have the volume? I guess so. Yeah, now they definitely have the volume. Like everybody loves Lucid. But they didn't always have the volume. Like I'm thinking like last Thanksgiving, before Lucid Flex came out, I'm pretty sure they were like still lesser known firm. $10x volume. I think it's more than 10x. They became like probably not number one because like I'm sure topstep is still number one from just brand loyalty and how long they've been in the space, but top 5 for sure. Top 5 before before January there were almost nobody. I remember first starting this channel, and then I was affiliated with them, and I was like, you guys should give Lucid a try. And I remember people were like, never heard of them, I don't know. But I got lucky. I've yet to be paid by them, so man. So I'm up 700 this week. I'll take it. God. Maybe I can make it back today. Who knows? The day is still young. You already got payment from them quite a few times? Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, I've heard only good things. Today, Apex giveaway? I mean, I would have to win, but so far So far, no wins for me. Same, no issues getting paid fast. Yeah, you're in 2026. If your payout isn't instant, then you lose the competitive edge. Like, I'm someone who's used to like taking a week to get paid. Cause like back when I used to get paid frequently on topstep, sometimes the fastest would be like 2 days, but it would take as long as a week. Man, everything is just bleeding hard today. You need a win, take a short at 1325. 1325? Okay. That's an interesting. Is that kind of where I entered? I think it is. What is that? 12. Okay, I bought at 1250. I'm done for now. Good luck on the rest of your trading day. I'll talk to you guys next week. Okay, I'll see you on Monday, Kevin. You're affiliated with MFFU. Ask for some account to give away. I think I don't people don't redeem it enough for me to get any. Because like my funded futures is like the newest one that I added to my thing. I mean, I've gone through a few. Like I used to have some with alpha futures trade day, but they're just falling behind. Tradify is also good. The reason I don't do Tradify is that they have a clause in their contract that whatever content I make is their property. Even though I'm pretty sure they're not gonna enforce that, or they're not gonna do that, but I don't know. Seems dumb. I didn't even know. Looks like Apex I won. I redeemed an activation fee. I thought I redeemed a no activation fee. Oh, really? That's too bad. Cause like, I don't know when they changed it back. Cause like yesterday, people were trying to redeem for it, and it didn't work. So maybe it happened like early yesterday or 2 days ago. But yeah, the window might have closed. If you win, will it be Apex or Lucid? I don't know. Whatever I feel like. Free account is a free account. Yeah. If you see it that way, then that's good. That's good. I mean, I would take it any day. But I do understand why so many people want the Lucid, because it's truly free, or truly free from A to Z, you know? You could literally be a broke homeless boy, and you can trade real money or funded account. Yeah, I combine true with free. Fru. Man. I'm still kind of recovering from the loss. It's not even the amount that I lost, it's the way it happened. You know, missing the trade by a tick. about to cancel the trade, got tagged in the very last second, very like last 5 seconds, and then it does all that shenanigans, all that wicking, and then kind of blaming myself to not go break even after that final wick. So the amount can be like anything. The amount can be like $10, and I would still feel the same. But yeah, it is what it is. It doesn't really make me want to trade more or revenge trade, so that's good. I'm pretty good at that, but it just still hurts the same. I think here's what I'll do. If I win on stream, I'll just randomly pick between Lucid and Apex. I don't wanna like because like clearly people want Lucid, but it's not up to me, okay? It's up to the RNG gods. What's up, waka waka pow pow? Hope all is well, yeah? Everything's good. How come you don't just full port accounts? Like find a good setup and pass the accounts? Man, that's a loaded question. Why do I not full port? It's just not in it for me. I'm not really a gambler, like a DGen gambler. Like I could do some DGen stuff, but overall I'm pretty risk averse. And just my track record says that if I do that, I'm just gonna end up losing more accounts and end up spending money that I don't want to lose. Going all the way down to 484 before the day is over. Man, we are falling hard. I could never see myself buying 20 evals and passing like 3 or 5. I just can never do that. It's not for me. But if you're someone who does that, make sure to use code RDT. You know, I'll support that endeavor if you're that kind of a trader. The only green I see today is Chipotle. Thank you for scrapping the negative RR. Yeah, it just wasn't for me. Nothing wrong with it, but I just, with everything considered, like me having to make content, because like I could never make those, fun shorts with like negative RR. It's just, it just ends too fast. There's no drama. There's me going like, you know, and it just wasn't, I wasn't feeling it. But I'm still glad I tried it. Doesn't hurt to try different things. All right, let's get it. Let's see. May or may not take a trade here. All right, I'm gonna go short here. 74.88 and 75 cents. Plus 50 on a short? Dang. There you go. Going short.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Oh, yikes. That's bad. I mean, we are selling off here. Yeah, this has to go down like now, or else I'm done. Yeah, we're not dropping. My bail.
Order filled.
No! I got out too early. Yeah, I was in a short. So how much did I lose there? I lost 2 ticks? Okay. It's worth a shot. I know you're taking trades in your real account on the side. This is your fun account to build a following. Maybe. How could you possibly be down today? I did 27,000 with my custom indicator by 10. Good job, man. $538. Why do you trade on 1 minute? You know, for funsies. Like this guy says, this is my fun account. Yeah, I'm glad I got out right there. I wasn't gonna wait out for that. No, I wouldn't, you know, accuse him of selling his custom indicator just now, you know. Cuz like you could be three different types of person. You could be one, you know, yes, selling the custom indicator. That's one type of person. Or two, you know, you really made $27,000 and you feel great and you want to just go to a random chat and talk about your winnings. You're that kind of a person. Or three, you're here to actually help someone. You're here to lend a hand. Hey, here, let me show you how to make money for free. So I wouldn't immediately accuse him of trying to sell the indicator right away. So tell us which type of person you are. How much are you up in your real account? Use algo. In my real account, I'm like, I lost my house. It's Trump. I lost my house. Yeah, in my real account that I don't show you guys. Yeah. So you could say the negative 10,000 PNL here is actually good for me. It's actually better than my real account. Dude's bold enough to post his trades. I mean, it's all relative. Okay, like I might be showing you guys these trades, but who knows what's going on in the background? Am I making millions of dollars in the background, or am I losing my house in the background? Scooby-Doo action, yeah. Mask on right now. I'm mask on. You mean you probably made your house? Coincidence that you go against 90 EMA every trade? That is coincidence, man. Make sure to sign up for my course. The link is down in the description. If you want live signal alerts, make sure to sign up. It's only $4,000 a month. Which is actually like 50% off from the usual price of 8,000. $20. $4K sounds good if I can make $27K by 10 a.m. That's true. 4K is nothing. What time you live trade, homie? Monday through Friday? From market open to right about now is when I log off. But I'm trying to see if I can get a long here. But it looks like I'm not going to. But usually from market open to like 12. Yeah, 12-ish. All right, Mehdi, I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Yeah, I mean, I've taken what 2 trades and only lost 10 ticks. You know, I think that's a win compared to what I used to do. I would say so. Smart marketing to show a losing account to get more followers. I mean, if it's smart marketing, why am I the only one who does it? Other people should be showing their losing accounts if they want more followers. But it seems like all you see is Lambos and watches. Doesn't seem like a losing account to me. But hey, like if I lose my trades and I get more followers because of that, I will not complain. I like how we wicked off of my entry, my old entry here. That would have worked. Do I have Discord? Yeah. Here. Yeah, if we didn't have this funny business, I would have hit my TP right there. Because I would have been entered right here. And then boom. Target hit. Discord denied my entry because I'm black. You gotta call Discord support, man. That's not up to me. Alright, I think since this trade didn't work out, I'm gonna head out, guys. I'm gonna keep trading and see if I can make this money back or lose more. We'll see. But otherwise, I'll be back next Monday for market open. Have a great weekend. Peace out.